Introducing the Gator GDVR250, a compact dash cam with a built-in 2-inch LCD color display with a 16GB micro SD card included. Recording in 720p high definition at 30 frames per second, the GDVR250 records clear footage to capture the essential details. With a 120-degree wide-angle lens, the field of view captured by the dash cam is exceptional. While driving, the GDVR250 will record in a continuous loop, overriding old files with new files to ensure you will never run out of space. If an incident is detected by the built-in G sensor, the dashcam will automatically protect the files from being overridden, so the footage can be safely retrieved at a later date. While driving, should an incident occur in front of the vehicle, or you simply want to save footage from a scenic drive, simply press the SOS Manual Record button to save and lock the footage. This dash cam will automatically add a time and date stamp to all your recorded footage, so you can keep track of recorded events. The built-in 2-inch display provides easy access to the dash cam settings and allows you to conveniently play back recorded videos. The screen saving capability will automatically turn off the LCD screen after a period of time, so it will not be a distraction while driving. It also has a built-in microphone that will record audio within the vehicle cabin and immediate surrounds. Designed to be connected to a 12 or 24 volt vehicle accessory socket at all times when in use, the GDVR250 also has a rechargeable battery that will provide enough power to safely secure the recordings and shut down the dashcam when power is disconnected. The GDVR250 is easy to use and comes with everything that you need to get started. It comes with the dashcam, adhesive mounting bracket, 12 and 24 volt in-vehicle power adapter, a mini USB cable, 16GB micro SD card, and the product manual. To find out more about this model or to view the complete dashcam range, please visit our website.